bless the man, no cuss ya. Talk it a nigga, son. I forget the girl how much more pay that.
Yo, not even the factory will make the bleach no clean, so not even a skeleton bone no clean like a video here. Oh, before me say anything else, me need to know how much on the grade this music video here out of 10. Pause the video and comment right now. My viewers, subscribers, you know how long we are waiting upon a video here for job. You feel like I know we are waiting upon a video here. Yeah man, a long time we are waiting upon a video, my people. We have the exclusive them. Don't feel like a joke. And let me tell you this, we have total murder video come soon. We have no feel like with video come soon. A whole heap of project, the dog I got job, new year. So watch you know, on the lookout feet. On the feel the dog flap. On stay there, man. On stay there. On is a fool. My viewers, we're gonna jump straight into the review. And no matter of fact, if it's your first time here, share, subscribe now. Click the bell icon to turn on your post notification. Watch ya.
More than 30 panels. But if I don't be panelists, so we are the illness them now. To tell the cause of politics.
Yo, the man say more than 30 panelists. Well, if I dopey pan the list, we are the illest. Them now go tell your cause of politics. Me know a whole heap of people hear the line and I want for 30,000 Jamaican dollar the man attack. No, my viewers, it me that attack pound or US. So you know that at 30,000 US. I no drop money that in a Jamaican. Me could go pound then. I no drop money that in a pound then. My viewers, subscribers. You know the badness go. And when the man say we put dopey panelist, me not have to explain that. It's very straightforward. You must know what that mean. We not have to even go in at that because a different thing that. You don't know what it mean. Though, watching my viewers, subscribers, you know which part of all people me not think understand. When the man say we are the illest, them now go tell you cause of politics. You must know when man I say cause pray no. Me and you know say yo, all kind of one of the top man them in the game, but guess what no? You see because the politics we are playing in music, it don't come like a political football settings. Watch you know, people now tell you the truth, cause guess what? People afraid them get bashed by a certain side. So watch you know, them pick side and don't tell you the truth. Them now go admit the facts here, the youth tough. But watch you know, me and you know deep down say yo, this youth here is a talented youth, and no matter what them do, him can't flap. Let's go.
Wake up, I'm smoking on the cannabis. I walk my morning in blind. Them watch me like an analyst.
Yo, from is a real ganja man or a ganja man, you're supposed to know the feeling when you wake up high. You wake up high, come like nothing even dip on your mind. You get up on a next level, you say, yo, John, know what you're glad for your next day, plus money are coming, you never have a stress in the world. So when the man say me wake up high, me smoking on the cannabis, at the highest set of grades that. Yo, go find a Epicon, the place name Mad Boss. Yeah, Epicon. You can't go Epicon, go find the highest that grades them. Yeah, big up yourself Epicon, they don't know the badness go. But watch on my viewers, subscribers, when the man say wake up high, me smoking on the cannabis, them a hope my money decline, them watch me like an analyst. My viewers, subscribers, a whole heap of people not glad for you make it in a life. Yo, just imagine you know, you have some sort of people where dep on earth, yeah, them pray upon your name every day, a wait for the day you fall. Them a wait for you. You see if you make a piece of money, them wanna mind you broke back the next day. For example, win lotto a morning and you see much people a pray and a hope you broke. I hope you broke, and them a watch you come, then watch you go, then can't tell you everywhere you go and you say, but wait there. I how them people are journalists. But as well Alkaline say, nah stop shine. From a year time, then can't tap it. Them have to go work with them, have to go live with you until them dead. Yeah man, I see him where say go. Let's move on.
Oh bless the man, no cuss ya. Talk it a nigga, son. I forget the girl how much more pay that. Yeah, no boy, no give me the chat, not to the burn, I know my buckle.
Yo, sometimes Alkaline some things not some slang in me have to wonder, me have to say, you know, say a real talk. You see when me hear the man say, ooh, God bless, no man no curse you, target and it goes so. Me have to say, you know, a real talk. You see, from God bless your youth, as of my old people would say from God bless you, no man can't take away your blessing. The man also say, me I forget a girl and came must me pay that. Man make you know say what you know, I could never pay a girl 100 Jamaican dollar. I forget that, cause guess what? I mean name Alkaline, I mean name my name. We have the style, we have the image, we have the duo. So what you know, if me give her 100 Jamaican dollar now, me still have to get her. Worse, when we are drink, the burner and the buckle, no man even forgive me no talk, no man even no for what, not even near me. I trouble that, you know that.
We up, take care of my business every time. are the only thing that on my mind.
And one thing with the artist here when you're Alkaline, he always execute. And what you know, the care how people attack, the man always on point. When the song don't make sense, the song have to make sense. And look on your video, my viewers, subscribers. More want to know, you know. More want to see. The man not go all out in your video and look how it look clean. Look how it look like the best thing since sliced bread. For sure, yo. Yeah, man, him name Alkaline and him alone can do it. Don't feel like a joke. The man make you know see you we up. We take care of business all the time. You have some people, you know. If you're not business, a business. If you're not joke around, a joke around. Alkaline one of them man they. Ever take care of them thing them, money alone them man they feature. Them man don't really care what people want to talk. And I saw you have to stay in a life. You can't do business where people are say. Now watch the negative. Watch you know that make you stronger. And money you fear pre. Richer and richer. Yeah man, same way so.
Hard work will leap hours and we make time to the best. Google back them only know for play checkers and not chess.
Hard work will leap hours now make time for the best. Google back them know for play only checkers and not chess. My viewers, subscribers, you see just them few lines there have a whole heap of meaning. And see if you know about life in general and music, this must touch you. What you know? A whole heap of people go through a whole heap of things in their life. Whole heap of things in their life. Whole heap of sacrifice. So yes, when you see them come make it in their life, you can't bad mind. Because guess what? A whole heap of things they go through. And Alkaline one of them. You man make you know see how hard work. Whole heap of hours put in just to make it over there right now. No, we not the elites. We not the top league right now. So they can't say nothing. They can't say nothing. Used to the easy life. No know the hard way out. So guess what now? They can't bad man me for my things. Same way so the dog I make you know.
So rookie them, when I see them, watch them afraid. When I win, I call it, but fans so we are the best.
A lot of you guys might not know, while a few might, or the majority might know if you're an Alkaline fan. Alkaline think highly of himself, and I believe say everybody must think the same way. The man say, a rookie them. When you see them, watch them afraid. You man make you know see them in the power league. We don't even see them. We don't have time for meds. Them we're too busy and make money. But they watch them things say we are pre them, so them afraid. Them must see but Alkaline come to take it. Now what me I gonna do? Them afraid, but the man not see them. I rookie them. You see me? I not Khalid. But the fans themselves, we are the best. The people make you know say what you know? I demand they're the best. It's not we the best music, you know. But what you know? That man himself is the best.
It's not hard to tell. Who are going to get to the doctor? Patient we tell you we want better.
Yo, the man say, no have to tell who are go get her to the doctor. Patient we tell you we want better. It's just like how a sick man within the hospital and he want to get better. It's the other way around. We in the streets. We want better with life. We want make money. We want rich. Yeah, man, I see him way, so it cannot be any clearer than that. That's what I'm telling you. See, Alkaline. So man might feel say I only them type of artists that have wordplay. No, on the wrong. Alkaline have it too. Alkaline been a do it.
Us we are free, but I can't get a slurp on the star. Me and the ups, them a fire, you're not never.
Once we are pre-bag a car, get a slurp on the star. Me and the apps them apart, you mad never. Boy, Alkaline easy. You know, watching them viewers, subscribers. The man make you know, see you know. We are pre the car them, you know. We want the luxury car them, you see it. And watching you know, get off your DJ, like, you know what, something they go. But watching you know, you will never see me apart with my apps them. You will never see me apart with my enemy them or the feds them. No time on a weed that.
Good thing we never follow people, just imagine. Wouldn't take a half, you know, what's more like a lot in a enjoy our life.
You see in life, you cannot follow people. And Alkaline, I'm going to know that. Alkaline has shown us here, see, if him did follow people, he wouldn't do him there right now. He wouldn't even take plane like, oh, people ride bicycle or walk in the dirt. At that time, I'm going to know. So what you know? We can't follow people. People we telling a bag of foolishness. People lead to the downfall. So guess what? If you have a dream, go feed and listen to when nobody has said. Listen to when a man we want to tell you, say you not make it.
No fame, give me fortune. Millions of beer in us, some in the need no bathroom. I feel nice.
The man say, no fame, give me fortune. Millions of beard now, some no need no bathroom. Watch on my viewers, subscribers. This is straightforward as well. You have a whole heap of people, them just seek fame, you know. Them no want fortune. Them no want such, you know. Fame, you can live with fame, but you got dead for hungry. With fortune, you'll forever rich. You got ever have money, you got ever have things. Me no want fame, and money more, brother.
Coulda learned this in a classroom. Never want work for nobody in no costume. That's why me day in my zone.
But know a whole heap of people I wonder what the artist mean by what him say, yo. Me feel nice. Couldn't learn this in a classroom. Never want work for nobody in a costume. But what's on my viewers, subscribers? You see in a life, a whole heap of things them don't teach we in a high school. A whole heap of things them don't teach we. So that's why we are gonna ever have the mentality to say, you wanna we need school, we have to go school, we have to be educated. But no, that concept is wrong. Alkaline base college, so you see the talent you have right now, you see the type of riches you have right now, him couldn't learn that in a classroom. Nobody now teach that. So what you know? Him did have to come to some car, guess what? Him never want to come work for nobody in and a blowout. Where me didn't want this nobody. But you know like when you know them your company work clothes, that the man a call costume. No, the man didn't want to come do him own thing. The man didn't want to come work for nobody like no clown. And me can't hang him, cause guess what? You see, once you have your talent, you have to use it. 9 to 5 now make you rich. Them things you make you rich, your talent. So go for something where you like, go for your dreams. Don't have the mentality you go work for people forever, cause that now go work.
I know me if I make it if ambition alone because man have some dreams.
Failure in life is not an option. Always set objectives. Aim for the top. Set missions. Set goals. This our Alkaline I tell you. Watch you know. You see, if you not have this, there's a high possibility you're not gonna reach far in a life. You have to make it in a life. Have that in the back of your head. You hear what the man say? Me know I have to make it if a mission alone. Put someone to a point where you're going to say, I'm going to work towards it and it shall come true. It might not be now, but it have to come true. My viewers, subscribers, you see this song here overall? It's a wonderful song. It's an inspirational song. It have a whole heap a meaning to it. It have a whole heap a inspirational thinking and thoughts into this song. Me can't complain. Me personally would grade this song here out of 10 out of 10. And watch you know, the video is exceptionally well. It's simple, but guess what? Alkaline. So watch you know, it way up. It up, it clean, everything on point. The directors them do a good work. Them need to have to do a bag of fancy thing. Because guess what? The quality of the video speaks for itself. I'm obviously you're watching 10 out of 10 Alkaline. You do it and we are wait pan the other video because I know it's a total murder video not gonna normal. I know not feel like we video not gonna normal. My viewers, subscribers, what are your thoughts on this music video and the song in general? Comment in the comment section below how much you grade this song here out of 10. Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. I'm out.